everyone and welcome. You guys, I'm very excited to announce that the second edition of my grammar book is finally out. It has been a very long time coming, so let's have a look at it. The second edition is a revised, updated, extended, and overall restructured version of the initial book, which I first published in 2017 under the title Learn Romanian with Nico. As you can probably tell just by looking at it, the second edition has basically doubled in size, and that is mainly because I've added a lot of additional content. So I decided to go with the format A4 this time because I wanted to keep the book as compact as possible. Otherwise, it would have been way too bulky. Now let me tell you a little bit about the structure of the book and how you can work with it. The book is structured into several chapters, and each chapter is dedicated to a different part of speech. So you can learn about nouns, adjectives, pronouns, numerals, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Every chapter is further divided into smaller sections covering various grammar aspects, and here you can find plenty of explanations, observations, and examples for how you can apply those theoretical aspects in practical contexts. There are also numerous grammar tables and boxes that can help you visualize everything better and keep the information well organized. And you know me, I had to sprinkle everything with a little bit of fun, so every section also contains many cute jokes which, aside from their entertaining nature, they were actually conceived to exemplify the discussed grammar topics, so they provide even more practical examples. Each section contains lots of exercises where you can apply and practice the knowledge learned in that unit. And I know that in the first edition you guys really love the short stories based on my life. Well, not all of them. Some of them are just pure fantasy, okay? So I really wanted to keep those and the concept of applied grammar in short stories. So I've definitely added new ones, and I hope you'll like them just as much. At the end of each section, there is an answer key that provides the solutions to all the exercises, so the book is suitable for self-study. And it also includes the translations of the exercises, so just in case you didn't understand something, you have the possibility to see how everything is translated into English. In the second edition, I clearly went more into detail with the explanations, observations, and exceptions, but I've also tried to focus more on the practical use of grammar. That is why I've added lots of new information about how and when to use the featured aspects, what the difference in register or style is between similar aspects, and overall, I've just added many new contextualized examples and exercises for each topic. For even more contextualized practice, check out my Everyday Dialogues book, which shows grammar applied in day-to-day conversations. I actually designed both of my books to complete and complement each other, so all the dialogues in this book are built around one or more grammar topics, which are highlighted in the introduction of each unit. And if you're not familiar with any of those grammar terms or aspects, you can learn more or read more about them in this book. So yeah, if you're interested in ordering any of the books, they are both available for purchase on my website. Oh, and if you'd like to have the first edition of my book, it is a limited series. I'm not reprinting it. It was my first attempt at writing a book. So you can find it on my website. There are still a couple of copies left. Further information about international shipping rates and delivery times is provided in the product description on my website, where I've also included some sample pages if you're curious to take a peek. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much, you guys, for being here with me and for sharing this moment of pure excitement. I am extremely happy for having finished this project that I've put so much time, effort, and passion into, and it's such a wonderful feeling to have such an amazing audience like you to present it to. I'm also super thankful to my family, friends, and colleagues for their constant support throughout the entire process. Thank you so much, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy.
Be happy. Ba, ba.